Hi, this is Bill. So on this lesson, we'll show you how to save flows in Flow Designer. So let us go back to our example. So we have created quite a few actions in our Flow Designer. And you can see on the top left, right, there's an indicator that our flow has not yet been saved. So on the top right, saving your work is quite significant. So you can always save it without even activating it as you basically do a draft of your workflows, or for example, your business requirement is not yet completed, or you're multitasking, can save your flow and come back to it on another time. And as we basically create another action, so let's say let's have a log action. So let's do that. And let's have a log action. And as you can see that in the log on the top left, as we create that action, there will be an icon that will appear that there is unsaved changes in your workflow. So on the top right, as a practice, so you don't lose any of your work, you can save it, come back to it another time, and be able to continue where you left off. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.